These are uncertain times. Jerry Breyer is here from the Gold Silver Exchange. Since the early 80s, they've been helping folks weather the storm, and seems to be a pretty sizable storm coming, certainly in the way of uncertainty and not knowing where our financial future is going post-election. Right, Jerry?
You bet. And, of course, a couple of the best ways to protect your purchasing power of your money is to buy precious metals, silver or gold. What we've been recommending is the 90% coin, dimes, quarters, half dollars, 1964 and earlier. Right now, the premium on those is quite low, and so, in fact, it's the cheapest thing we sell as far as precious metals, as far as premium. But the thing about it is they were minted for the purpose of a medium of exchange, and so they'd be very barterable if it ever comes to that. Then, of course, too, in the 80s and 90s, a lot of that stuff got melted down, so the premium on that stuff's going to go quite high. But I highly recommend, if you haven't ever got into silver and gold as a hedge against the inflation that's coming, we recommend you stop in and we'll show you the different products we have on gold, silver. We even, of course, sell diamonds and jewelry, but right now the thing is that you protect your future with precious metals.
This is really about peace of mind, isn't it? I mean, it's just, who knows? Nobody can predict with the, exact accuracy what the heck's going to happen, but it's uncertain times, and one thing we know from past history, inflation's a real threat here right now.
It sure is. And I just saw a deal on the internet yesterday. This one guy was saying that after the first year, with all the new taxes that's coming on, we could see the stock market crash back to 6,000. Well, we're seeing all kinds of that kind of thing on the internet, particularly since this election, because this administration just is bent on making more and more money out of thin air. And, of course, when that happens, the currency you walk around with in your wallet is losing its value every day.
Folks watching this that want to find out about a very important piece of information regarding their financial future can receive from you a free DVD. You're offering this to send it out, actually, a set of DVDs that you believe is absolutely essential information for them. Tell us about it.
These DVDs just became available recently, and it's about some information that you need to know, which is happening in the financial end of it with printing of money and so forth, and how you can protect yourself in the future. Because the uncertainty when you're printing, as the government is printing money, raising taxes, where do you turn? Number one, of course, is you get right with God through Jesus Christ. That's number one. But secondly, you need to protect your assets, and the only way you can buy land, which of course there's only a certain amount of that available worldwide. But precious metals historically has been a hedge against inflation and the currency in perilous times. So we highly recommend that if you haven't ever invested in silver or gold, come in and see us, and we'll show you what products we have and why we recommend what we recommend. In fact, the team and I here at the Gold Silver Exchange, we take pride in doing things the right way, but also that you would have the best advice. In other words, advice I would give you is the advice I would give me if I was buying on the other side of the counter.
AAA rating, or top rating from the Better Business Bureau. Been at this since the 80s. A good, trusted resource, folks. So give Jerry a call and his team at the Gold Silver Exchange, Grand Forks, 2124 Gateway Drive, 746-9950. Thanks for watching.